Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, this one I showed you all the things. This
Yeah, today I'm going to verify your assignments, your interview questions, and everything. From tomorrow, we will start, Azure DevOps, because we
okay,
have already covered more than syllabus. So many
okay.
things you ask from Azure Architect also. What I told you, right? That is in AZ303 syllabus.
Yeah, today morning only you send the email, no, for that your mail
Yeah, yeah,
only.
yeah. No
Oh.
issues. You take your own time. You can
No,
complete.
no, actually today I was in office work. That time I checked the email, I got it. Maybe today or tomorrow evening I'll do it. No problem. I'll finish
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one.
no issues. But I told you, right?
And
I was busy with that, issues.
no problem, no
That
problem.
unexpected things. Okay, VNet, go down. Okay, great. Your planning steps. Okay, go down. Click on only the labs. I can understand you have already completed. Okay, create the disk. Click on lab number 6.
Mm,
Why it is 6, 7? Wait. Create the Linux, and under that A, B, C, D, it will come, right?
mm,
Steps
which
are
one?
search for the. Wait. Click on 6.
Oh,
Yeah, like search
this
for virtual machine
uh,
and select virtual 6, and फिर click on this is 7.
this is a number thing. It's not an. I can rectify it. Not an issue. It's damage.
Okay, control S.
I done did it.
Mm. Before sending it, please no do all this stuff so its look and feel will be good. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I thought. Okay, now click on lab number 7. Fine. I got it. You did. Click lab number 8 and 9. Scroll in the left hand side. Scroll the lab uh, headings. Scroll down. Yes. Wait. Now, no, direct lab only. 9 after 10. Putty you did right, installation and all this
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Stepwise
This
you have
one,
written.
this one RDP, that is general one, no? Windows VM through RDP.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Correct.
Portal. That's why I want to know that portal means that connect button, no? Or how
Yes.
it connect?
Connect button only. Connect button only.
Okay, then I'll create it and I'll include it. Okay.
Okay, write down in the bracket through the connect button. I mean, here itself. Hints. HINT. In the bracket, just mention hint. HINT. Connect button from the portal. Mention full, then you can remove later. Otherwise, you will forget. We all are a human being, right? We used to forget. That's the reason I used to say, please write down. Stop VM and observe the changes. Okay, I got it. Scroll down. Lab number 12. What is this? Create config. Are you ready? Yeah, we did. Go down. Lab 13. Yeah. Lab number 13. Add the new single guest. Click on new. Okay. Go 14. Create template management group. Okay. No. RBAC role. Okay. RBAC role. Create the 3 types of dev. No, lab number 17. Click on lab number 17 because this question is very important. They will ask you in the exam. Okay, so how to create the app services, you know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now click on lab number 18. Now click on 19. Okay, great. You have already attached all the Excel sheet.
Hmm.
Okay, great. Good job. Create Azure RGN. Okay, fine. Click on lab number 25. Avilash, where are you? Avilash?
Yeah. So
Yeah, how?
mine. Okay, once Arun stopped, I can share my screen and show you.
Okay. 25. Scroll down in left hand side. Headings. 20. After 26. You click on 26.
Yeah, this is a heading issue that I'll rectify it, not an issue. Okay.
Okay,
Create
okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. So before sending, just rectify headings, naming steps. Okay.
Yeah.
To me. Lab number 27. Yeah, got it. That is documentation issues. 27.
This one, DNS.
I send
That
you,
I
na,
don't.
create.
Today,
Today I
that
send
one.
you. Yeah. Yeah, you can
But,
send. You can do it later
but
also.
peer-to-peer, that you sent that peer-to-peer or DNS, that one?
DNS. Peer to peer today I will send you.
Okay.
I was busy,
Okay, no
before,
problem.
right? I will send
Okay.
you in couple of days. Right now you can understand the
No
person
problem.
who
This
is
is
sitting daily basis with me. We are having tea and he's neighbor of me. Is a very old friend. We have a 15 years old. It's create AKS using PowerShell and CLI. You did it right. Good. Lab number 30.
so this is a command we are using. So any AZ group name RG test. This is a resource group. Then this is the command for creating a cluster. So node count 1 or 2 something.
Okay.
This is a PowerShell actually. Then CLI. This is a
Yeah, I know
CLI.
you now you are become a master in PowerShell and Azure, right? Now at least you should know how to Google it, correct?
Yeah.
For creating. My intention is only, see, no one is able to remember each and every code.
Yeah.
Okay, take the code from the Google and according to your requirement, okay, you can modify the name, RG group, whatever your existing project, what they are using, tags and all this stuff. Okay, then you can find out. And I told you one thing, please attach all the notepad
Yeah,
plus.
finally I'll do it because I have to finish this fully all the access, then I'll do that once.
Okay,
Don't worry.
so how many labs? Almost more than 30, right?
Yeah, this one create AKS, add node pool. Okay, I did it. This one removing deletion, I did it. Add additional system node also, I did it. And one more, I have a question. I heard, see, you mentioned to create the VM and perform the build, add additional disk because I created additional disk. Okay, before creating the VM, I created the additional disk. 1 minute. So this is the one I created. 1 minute. Okay, this I have created 8 GB something. Okay,
Can
to
you
save the
increase the
car.
font size?
Okay,
Yeah,
8
tell
GB.
me.
But after I have attached to the VM, but I'm not able to. Once I log into the VM, I'm not able to see that attached disk.
It will be attached.
But at least CD is something. See, C is there, D is there, another one E is there. E is not there with 8 GB.
Okay, so how many disk you have attached?
Only one disk only.
Okay, so did you get? Have you tried how to verify the disk attached in the VM? Did you try it in the Google?
No, I didn't try, but I have seen the VirtualBox. I logged into the Windows. So I didn't find the even that management console. No, once the Windows management console used to there. No, so there also I didn't find that one. But in the I had tried to reattach and try that apply and it not worked actually.
Okay. Okay, I will tell you. But there is one documentation.
Hmm. That is only I didn't go through that because that I final thing I was trying to do that, but I didn't find that. This one I created Azure Vault. I created
Okay.
this
Azure
one
Vault.
Azure Vault. Azure Vault I created. This is I created this Azure Vault. Whatever thing, just the final thing I've done, but I didn't add much things. Then Azure Analytics, Log Analytics Workspace. This is I done.
Okay.
That's all.
So see, in the whenever you are going to attach the disk into the virtual machine, additional disk. Okay.
Hmm.
So in virtual machine disk setting, there is a data disk, right?
Yeah.
Inside that you can check. New disk
No, I
will be
tried.
listed there.
Okay, you just go review the thing. By the time I'll try to create the one thing. Okay. Review
Okay.
the. Okay, by the time.
I will ask. Also, hey, Arun, wait. I need to verify your interview questions also. So how many interview questions you have completed till now?
Interview questions. I didn't. Whatever you gave after that, 67. I didn't do after that. Last I did it 160. After 66, I didn't do that. So I give me some time. I'll once this lab is finished, I'll start doing working on it. No, don't worry. I'll
Labs
parallel.
almost you have already completed 95%, right?
Yeah, today I'll
Labs.
do some of the things that I'll finish stuff and I'll start working and things on that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Abhilas.
Yes.
Yeah, Abhilas. Now show me.
So my lab.
Start from number 1.
Yep.
It's done. Okay. Click on create lab number 2. So Arun, when you are going to send your lab document so that I will verify and I will send to the
Two
management?
things are pending, no? That peer-to-peer and this one today you sent one. That one I finished off and then finally
That
I'll
is
do.
all the peer-to-peer I will send you, but that is not the part of AZ 104. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I will send you. So
Okay.
better within 2 days, you can send me at least lab document
Okay. Okay.
because you have already completed 95%, right?
Yeah.
Only you need to just sit half an hour or 45 minutes. You are able to complete. Yeah, Vilas.
Okay.
So where you are, create the VM Linux Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu is operating system. Okay.
Yep.
Vilas, and it's a open
Yes. Yes.
source.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. So lab 2 is completed. Click on lab 3. Okay. Have you created the checklist?
Yeah, I created only one that first one.
Okay.
So that is pending from my end. Checklist is pending.
Okay. So try to complete in this weekend, in this week, although
Yep.
we will start Azure DevOps. Okay.
Yep.
But try
Yep.
to complete all your labs and all. Okay. Show me. Okay. Checklist we will verify later. Show me how many labs out of 30, how many labs you have completed
So I
till now.
completed till 18th.
18 means what? 15% you have completed. Correct, Arun?
Because it's
Sorry.
include the checklist now. Total is 20. How many is total? 27, right?
No, 32 something. 30, 32.
32.
34. 34.
34.
34. Okay.
So you have completed
Okay.
18. So 50% you have completed, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So and the rest
Because I have
50%.
Yeah, because I have doubted this one connecting to net in the same subscription. These things, DNS, how to configure these things. I don't have any idea. Create and
Okay,
configure
that is
VNet. It's fine.
26 and see 26 and yeah, I will send you the document. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
no issues. He have already done, Arun, and that day also if you will go through the recording also you will get.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I
Yeah.
will send you the step-wise document also, Arun
Okay.
document. Fine.
Okay.
What may
Fine.
be your feasible, it is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Now show me your
Okay.
interview questions.
So this one also I've done in between. I skipped
How
some
many
apart from that.
why you are
So
skipping and all? Can you show me
so
till
this one
81 it is completed?
till 81 is completed. 82 completed. 83
See
done.
the way wait 80 to explain the Azure AD terminology in details. If you are
Yeah.
going to write and copy paste from that, do you think that you are able to remember this thing in this way?
Uh,
Only
you have to
2
link
or
to
3 lines. Yeah, see, only each and everything you just write down 2 and 3 lines. That's all.
okay.
Rest of things you just point make each and every terminology just make 2 to 3 points, max to max 4 points. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Like Azure MFA. If you're going to write in this, I don't think you are able to remember. Correct, Arun?
Okay.
Yeah, no. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm telling to Abhilas, you are writing the interview question in this fashion, answer. So this is not the correct because you are just copy pasting, right? Better you
Yes.
just go through then and make the point number like Azure MFA. What is the functionality, features, benefits, and all 3 to 4 points you just mention 1 to 3. Like you are just written like you're writing some books and all. Getting my point? So it will
Yeah.
help
Got it.
you only. You just frame
Yeah.
your own sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Got it.
you are able to remember that particular sentence into the interview.
Yeah. Got
Correct,
it.
Arun?
Yeah.
Otherwise, there are so many books I can recommend it that within 3 to 4,000 you will get so many books and no one is going to study that book. I know.
Okay.
Okay. Can you show me
Yeah.
from starting? I need to check from each and every questions, especially you.
Till 67. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Private cloud. I told you that you have to make one tabular form differences and all. Okay, no issues. Different types of service model in Azure. Click on fourth. Okay, SaaS, PaaS, NS. Click on fifth. Okay, the concept of economies of scale is ability to do things less expensive and more efficiently when operating at a more significant level in comparison to perform a smaller scale. Okay, and this is what your definition. And if someone is going to ask you, Avilas, can you give
Yeah.
me example? Then I have already given you the example, right? Physical laptop and virtual machine. Hope you
Yeah.
remember.
Yes.
Okay, so you can explain those stuff.
Yeah.
What is upfront cost, below terminology, high availability? Okay, high availability, elasticity. Okay, define the below terminology. Click on that. Scroll down. Fault tolerance, scalability. Okay, good. See, these one liner, if you will write, okay,
Yeah.
then you are able to remember those stuff. If you will put so much theory, then it will not useful for you
Yeah.
because you will feel bored after reading that.
Mhm.
So are you reading on a weekly basis? Arun and Avilas both.
Yes.
No,
Arun,
I'm not reading. No, just concentrating on the labs only nowadays. So then I'll
labs
start with.
also see each and every labs. At least you just go through each and every steps every weekend, and also each and every questions and answer interview questions and answer. At least go through at least spend at least 45 minutes. You will revise each and everything.
Hmm.
each and every weekends, then only you are able to remember. See, after completion of this course, you will get sample paper for each and every exam. That also you are going to do. Getting my point,
Okay.
Arun and Avilas?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Then you will be busy in that. You will not get a time to prepare this.
Okay.
Okay, with solution, we will provide you the sample paper. Okay, after completion of your course.
Okay.
Okay, so then you will busy for preparing those questions and solutions, reading. There are so many stuffs you will get. So better this is the right time to utilize. What is VPN gateway in Azure? Okay, good. What is Azure application gateway? What is Azure database service? Explain with example. Okay, click on 20. Okay, so the way you have written, it's good. Go down.
Okay. Okay.
So till what maybe you have written some lengthy, copy paste. Don't do those stuff. I'm not
Okay.
asking you
Okay.
to complete tomorrow itself. Take your own
Okay.
time. Okay, go through,
Yeah.
write down the points, then send me the document. Then I will spend 2-3 hours on your document. Okay, Arun.
Okay.
And then I will send you, both of you, the final revision. You can just compare with that.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, clear? Is it fine? Sounds good or not,
Yes.
Arun?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So how many interview questions you have written till now?
Because in between,
How many you have completed?
till 67 it's completed full. Yeah,
Okay.
this one already done that. So
Explain different types
for
of
that,
storage in Azure cloud.
yeah, it's I explained above here itself. 19.
Okay. So how many interview questions you have? Arun, what is the total number of till now? 100 something, right?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Can you please check? Tell me.
132.
Okay, so 132. So is
Yeah.
it possible you guys to at least you guys are going to send me on Monday each and every answers with answer? Arun,
Mhm.
coming
Yeah.
Monday.
I'll try. No problem. I'll try. I'll try to do it.
Okay. See, theory is also important, Arun. And I'm
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
happy that you are doing labs very carefully and each and every steps you are mentioning and all. First, complete spend 2-3 hours in your lab document. With the maximum 2-3 hours, it is more than enough for you because I've seen you 95% you have already completed. Okay.
Okay.
I
No,
hope.
I created the VM. I'll share my
Yeah.
screen. It's still.
Okay. Wait. Let me make you as a presenter. Just a second, Avilas. Let me.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Arun, you can share.
See, I'll show the disk. This is the one I created, 8 GB. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And in the virtual machine, where is the virtual machine? Attached this. Where is the disk? So attach this one, 8 GB.
Hmm.
Okay. Because I have given host catching read and write. Okay. So that also I given. So I logged into the virtual machine. So I
Mhm.
didn't find that 8 GB. So even I tried with manage here.
You can verify from Azure portal only, or either there is one HP Cytoscope through that.
Okay, because here I'm checking. So disk, I'm seeing
Hmm.
only the master boot. I think
What is
now
this
it's
8GB? What is
yeah,
this?
now it is coming. Now it is coming. That day I was trying to do that, I not find it. Okay, I
So
have
there
to
is a
come.
very famous, slogan, Arun. If you have some disease, okay,
Uh,
you will go to the doctor. So while viewing the doctor itself, your disease will go. Correct, Avilas?
okay,
Yeah.
okay, now it is coming. Okay, because this is what I was trying there.
See,
I'm not able.
if you are not able to do, Okay, not able to see, just refresh or log out and log in once again virtual machine.
Okay.
Log out and log in. Maybe what
Yeah.
what you did, you have just after attaching, you just log in. At that time, it was not refreshed. Okay. So again, you have log out and log in. Try to log in.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. This is okay.
Please delete it. Unnecessary, it will cost you.
No. I'm just want to take the screenshot, then I'll attach to my thing. Okay, no problem.
See how
Okay.
smart he is. You don't want to waste the second money, right? Almost.
Actually, mine also it's gone. My free trial also it's expired.
So see, it's a good to expire. Okay. Try to use pay as you go.
So I returned till 101.
Oh, 101 is you have already completed.
Yes. But in between,
Okay,
I have
great.
some this one how to. In between,
Yeah, modify.
how to look. Yeah, because how to change the access key in storage account, how to protect these things. I need to go through your recordings.
Go through also and Google also, just all and just
Yeah.
try to create your own sentence. Don't copy paste
Right.
from anywhere, so that you
Yeah.
are able to remember.
Yeah.
Correct, Arun? Otherwise, you are
Yeah,
not
this
able to
one
remember.
how to create scale and compute storage of Azure VM. So how to do that one?
Which one?
There is a one more lab here given, scale and compute storage of virtual machine. You said so you'll send a document for that. You told me that I didn't do that. Scale and
Okay,
compute.
lab number just send me and
Okay.
with question just in the chat. I will.
Okay.
So this one I almost done. It's 80% I had completed.
Okay, 80% is done. Good.
Yep.
So 80% is done means it's good.
It's better to have these all things.
Okay. And Arun, how about you? How many till now you have completed?
I have completed till 67, 66. Last what I had thing, no? Till that only I completed.
Okay. A scale and computer storage of okay. I think this is given you as an assignment, right?
Yeah. No, how to
But
do it?
you are,
Like, see, if any, either I have to do the like.
see,
Uh,
the lab means what? You have to scale up.
no, either I
And
can do the application, something I have to give that. Then only I can do the scale up. Because storage, that's why I was thinking. Storage means how to add. The no idea on that.
virtual machine.
No, virtual machine okay.
Hmm. That is the
Storage
lab
means
is what?
complete
Maybe
storage.
you have.
Scale and
Of
compute means suppose 8 GB is there, so it's completed. It's got
you
occupied. So remaining I have to add it means how to do that. That's I.
just know you did, na? I think you
No, but
haven't understood my lab. Let me explain you what exactly it is. Scale and compute storage of Azure VM. So first you need to create the Azure VM. Then you need to
okay.
scale up. Compute storage, what means? Compute means computer. Okay, virtual machine storage. Suppose it a hard disk is a storage is what 4 GB. You need to increase scale up. So how you are going to scale up? Either adding the disk, correct?
But no. I am thinking in that perspective, like load balancing. Like see, my
No,
server
no,
is
don't
loading.
go there. No,
Uh,
don't
that
go.
that kind of thing I
No,
was thinking. That way I'm thinking. Like
no, no,
so
no, no. No. That see, same question I've given you in the different way, and I told you that just think and then give the answer.
okay, this is then same thing. I can put the
Yeah.
screenshot.
Yes, correct. Okay. So, Avilas, what are the things you required from my side till now?
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
All the interview questions with you? Tell me.
No, I have only 101, so 30 plus questions it's required.
So Avilas need interview questions, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just noting down so that I will send you the
Yeah.
mail. And
Yes.
Arun, you want what you want? That is pairing of that. No, what was
Yeah,
that?
the VNet.
Okay, VNet in different region, right?
Yeah. Suppose I created see, just simple.
East.
I created one VNet in East and West. I
You have
hosted with
written. Okay, you have written already that
yeah lab.
lab. Just paste that lab. In Azure only. Just paste that lab.
Yeah, 1 minute.
And one more thing, do not take so much tension for while completing the any kind of assignments and all. Be patient, do in your best speed, take your own time. It's better to complete each and everything as soon as possible. Okay, into the same subscription.
Because I have a doubt whether we have to use the which gateway VPN, sorry VNet gateway or VPN gateway. You cannot use it because when you're connecting from the on-premise to the Azure portal, have to use the VPN gateway. But here we have to use the VNet gateway only because I want to ping the servers posted in both thing that I want to do.
Both the region.
Like
Oh,
see, same
I
same
will send
company.
you this. Yeah, I got it. We had enough discussion on that. I got your. I will send you. Although this is not the part of
See,
Agent
this is
104.
the actually this is the actual things will come into the rear
Yeah,
picture when you do
when you are
the
infra things, but
setup. Yeah,
our motive is to learn the Azure DevOps, master in
yeah.
Azure DevOps. Okay, I will send you, no issues. But no, Arun, please try to complete all the interview questions also, because I'm very
Okay.
much impressed about your labs. Okay, and all. And Arun, can you show me your interview questions? Whether you have completed till 66 or not.
Yeah, this there. I already sent to you also.
And didn't get a chance, that my situation. 66. Okay. So total is 132, right?
1 minute.
Or
Yeah,
130?
132.
Oh, okay.
Can you share that questions in the chat?
Okay,
No,
share
the
I can cook.
length will be more. I think. You cannot.
till
It's like
100.
till from 100, 101 from 102.
Okay, share from 100.
Yeah.
Yeah. Paste into the chat. Control C and paste on the chat.
No, it's not coming. 110 only coming. Not coming fully.
Okay, no issues. Avilas, I will send you a mail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now today I'm just going to give you the hints about the DevOps and all. Okay, tell me what is DevOps, guys?
DevOps is a practice or culture of collaboration of development and operations.
What is DevOps, Arun?
It's a combination of a development effect and the operations. Operations means like administrations, everything, releasing process, everything is combined to that.
Okay, everything is combined into that. Okay. Let me share my screen. Are you able to view my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
These things we have discussed. Okay. Now, regarding the exam, AZ 400. As I told you that these are the we have already discussed.
Can you show that front one before you path one was? What is it?
Which one? That is
Before
all
that
the modules. This you
okay.
need to kill 104 and 204. We have discussed. We have already discussed. Okay. So we have already completed 104. Okay. Now we are moving to Azure DevOps. That is the certification code is AZ 400. Okay. So basically, the timing of the exam duration is 210 minutes. Then how many hours? More than 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
So keep patience on your mind. Okay, while giving this exam, you should have that much patience. Just feel that okay, I am writing the college exam, 3.5 hours. Getting my point?
Okay.
And registration fee is $165. Okay. And the exam will be available in English, Japanese. So all of you going to give in English only, correct?
Yeah.
Or anyone wants to give in Japanese or Chinese? No, right?
No.
Now, exam objective. So first one is develop an instrumentation strategy. What it is going to cover 5 to 10%. Instrumentation means what? Let me explain you. Just I'm giving you the idea about that. You are going to start any project, new project, or you are going to join any new team and you want to implement the DevOps, right? So before implementing the DevOps, you need to understand the current strategy, right? Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
Because see, whenever you're going to implement any new things, first you need to understand the current situation of the project, current nature of the project, current nature of the people who are working on that, right? Because DevOps is what? It is a culture, process, right? Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
After that, develop a site reliability engineering SRE strategy. How we are going to move, what will be the strategy, and what are things we are going to do. Develop a security and compliance plan. Exactly what are the compliance security we are going to follow. We are going to discuss. Manage source control. What do you mean by source control? Arun, you must be knowing.
Source control is storing the your source codes like centralized repository kind of thing, like was SVN, GitHub, GitLab,
That
many
is
things.
basically source control is what? Repository, correct?
Repository, yeah, yeah.
Correct, Avilas? Or you have any doubt?
No.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Then facilitate communication and collaboration, 10 to 15%. Define and implementation continuous integration, CI, that is 20 to 25%. Okay. Define and implement a continuous delivery and release management strategy, that is 10 to 15%. So you can see that each and every module they are asking almost same percentage, or same, each and every module have the same weightage in the exam, right? Correct, guys? Almost.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we have to study each and every module thoroughly. Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now that today I'm going to give you the basic idea. What is DevOps? Just now you said it is a combination of development and operation, right?
Yes.
And also it is a culture we had discussed, right? In the very first class I haven't given you, right, the idea about what is DevOps.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So apart from that, development and operation, what is DevOps? Why DevOps came into the picture? Why DevOps? What is the reason?
See, a reason is Previously, like if you take a developer almost 10 years, 12 years, 10 years back, no, see everyone has to dependency on each and every module. Has to see if you take a project, 10 people works on different modules. So once they come, once everyone finished, only they can build the project and test it. But in the DevOps continuous integration, so once it's check in, it start. They can use any tools like open source tools, Jenkins kind of thing. So whichever language they you can use. If you're using Java, they can use the Maven. If you're using .NET something, they can use MS Build for building the things. So each and every module, suppose one person, one project, one is finished means he can do and compile and test it his module. So in DevOps, it's the most. This is was it's a time saving as well as the um, project will be move faster, move faster.
So basically, we with the help of DevOps strategy, we can speedy. We can increase the development process, right? And
Yes,
also the deployment process, or
yes.
also the release process. Correct?
Yeah, mostly into the agile. It's the kind of agile only instead of waterfall model.
Yes. Okay, we will discuss. I will explain you why exactly. So now I'm going to explain you why DevOps came into the picture. What is the reason, right? So in if we are going to discuss about the later when the development approach have came into the picture, so we all are using waterfall model, that is known as traditional waterfall or traditional SDLC model, software development lifecycle model, right? Correct,
Yeah.
Avilash? Avilash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Rohit.
Yeah. So basically in waterfall model, what exactly happening? Once the requirement will be completed, that phase will be completed, then only we will move into the implementation, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. So in waterfall model, the biggest drawback is what? Once each and every phase is depends upon the previous phase, right?
Yes.
And due to that reason, like just now Arun have also given the example, and right now I'm going to give you the example. Suppose if you're going to work in a project one, in project one there must be the team for development, there must be a team for testing, there must be a development team for operations, right? There must be a team for business analyst and product owner, right? What I may be correct, Arun?
Yeah.
So whenever you're going to start project, you are going to hire all these kind of people, correct?
Yes.
So in waterfall model, what we are facing the trouble is, once the requirement is completed, then only implementation will start. Once implementation will completed, then only testing will start, right? So like due to that region, suppose so at a suppose right now we are working on requirement phase, then only business analyst and product owner is working. Rest of the people are what? Sitting ideally, right?
Yes.
So due to that, there is a huge business loss. See, you guys have 10 plus year of experience, right, Arun and Vilas?
Yeah.
Yes.
So try
Yes.
to say that there is a huge business loss. That's the, do not say earlier we are, those stuff everyone is no, but always try to give the answer so that they can understand, oh, okay, this particular person is understand the business. Okay, Arun, got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So that is what, so there is a huge business loss. So due to that reason, we have introduced the new development approach, that is agile development approach. So and also the one more drawback is in waterfall model, once the requirement will fix, we cannot change the requirement. Okay, but in agile, requirements are changing frequently, and changes are always welcome in agile, right?
Yes.
That is the main slogan of agile, is what? Changes are always welcome at any stage, in testing stage also, in deployment stage also, correct, in maintenance stage also. But in waterfall model, it was not that kind of facility it was providing. Okay, so that is what in agile. So you can see that in agile, and also in agile, how we are working, we are creating the epic. After based on the epic, we are creating the user story. Anyone have the agile experience? Avilas, Arun?
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Okay, so basically in agile we are working in epic, right? User story, task, correct, Arun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so that see, so in agile, developer is going to take the user story, tester is also going to take the user story, correct, guys? And based on the from the requirement phase itself, tester is going to design the test cases, developer is going to start implementing, and uh, requirement are gathering by the business analyst and product owner in the form of epic or user story, correct? A small user story they are giving, and continuously this flow will work. So here at a time you can see that developer is working together with testing team, correct?
Yes.
Business analyst and product owner is also working in agile development. But here you can see that operations team are sitting ideally, correct?
Yes.
Once they will develop each and every, they will test it, then they are going to put into the version control or in or any repository system, then operation team will put into the production. So there is still there is a business loss, right? Correct, Arun?
Yes. Yeah.
And due to that reason we are not able to uh, develop our application so fastly, so rapidly, so fastly. And because once the build will be completed, everything will be tested, then only we need to approach the operation team, and operation team is going to deploy. But in DevOps, what happened, they have combined the development and operation team. Okay, and also they have taken all the features of agile also. DevOps is what? Combination of development and operation, and also what are the characters of agile they have adopted. Okay, like requirements change frequently means what? They are also expecting changes at any stage. And development needs to be agile means what? Anytime they can change the functionality, and developer should accept that things, correct?
Yes.
And same thing in operation. So due to that reason, whenever we are going to adopt the DevOps approach, we need to increase the development approach also. Clear? So in DevOps, you can see that DevOps approach, you can see that developer, tester, product owner, and operations all are working together, correct? Correct, guys?
Yes.
So due to that reason, we are saving money or not as compared to agile and traditional waterfall model.
Yes.
Yes.
In DevOps, mostly microservices architecture. No, mostly they'll use for microservices.
Yes, microservices.
Difference.
Nowadays, see, earlier what happened, they are creating very big enterprise solutions and all. But now each and every, they are adopting the microservices implementation for each and every project.
Because it reduces the downtime.
Yes, exactly. And only that particular module will be impacted if down in
Yes.
downtime also.
Yeah.
Okay. So now clear, Avilas, any doubt?
Not clear.
So they will, whenever you are going to face the interview, they will ask you why we have to adopt the DevOps approach. So you have to always justify your answer with the business loss.
Okay.
Okay. Correct, Arun? Because you guys
Yeah.
have almost 10 years of experience. Correct, Arun? You have 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also that here there are 4 persons are working together. 4 types of person: business analyst and tester, developer and operation team. Clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
So DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It is a culture which automates system and improves and accelerate delivery to the client in a repeated manner. Okay, DevOps is a practice collaboration between development and operation, from the planning of a project to deployment on production. It involves the complete SDLC lifecycle as well as monitoring. Okay, so it involves what? SDLC, that is what? Complete software development lifecycle plus monitoring. It involves 5 stages. First one is a continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring. Now my question is, whenever you are going to read any DevOps terminology, they usually add continuous, continuous, continuous in each and every word, right? Arun,
Yeah.
what is the reason behind that?
See, continuous means there is no like if you take a development, okay, whenever he changed, suppose when developer checking his code, okay, he has some issues that it will start building the applications. Okay, then if you found any issues, developer, you start again fixing. So once he modify the codes, again he start running the job. Okay, this changes is done. So automatically it will start running the job. So in that case, all the cycle will comes continuous development and the testing and integration. Integration means like integrating with the other system applications. Anything is to be our modules and deployed to the Entity server and start monitoring. This is a life cycle kind of thing will come. Will be everything continuous.
Yeah, life cycle. That is my question was simple. Why
Hmm.
we are using, or why DevOps terminology are using continuous for each and every phase?
Because we
Because
are
the
using the pipeline we are using, no, because it will be
no,
continuous.
pipeline is totally don't consider pipeline. My simple question:
Uh,
why they are using continuous word for each and every phase?
uh,
Development
continuous.
is not a pipeline. See, continuous,
Yes.
they are indicating that okay, there is a very minimal downtime,
Okay.
either for development. You can't say that okay, for 2 days we are not going to develop anything because testing is going on, correct? So
Hmm.
they are testing, so that's the reason they have the approach. The DevOps approach will be always 24/7. Or see, in the universe we cannot say that I know each and every server or each and every human being also anything. Ideal engine is not possible, right? So we can't guarantee that okay, it will work 100%. We can give the guarantee 99.99%, right? Azure is also giving, correct? They are not
Yes.
claiming 100%. So in the similar fashion, they are indicating that there is very minimal downtime, or you can say that it's a negligible kind of thing. Okay, and it is 24/7 process.
Okay.
That's the reason continuous word is each and everywhere in
Okay.
DevOps phase. What happened?
Okay.
Getting, there's no downtime.
Okay.
What happened, Arun? Anything else?
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay. Now DevOps. DevOps is the union of people, process, and products to enable continuous delivery of value to our end users. Correct? It is union of people, process, and products to enable continuous delivery. DevOps eliminates development and operations working in silos. It creates, so these things I have already explained, right? Because DevOps is what? It is a combination of development and operation. So they are going to combine two teams, correct?
Yes.
It creates multidisciplinary teams that work together with shared and efficient practices and tools. Clear? This is very important. DevOps, what DevOps is not? DevOps is not a methodology, but Agile is a methodology. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Arun, Agile is a methodology or not?
Yeah.
Tell me. Yes,
Yeah.
but DevOps is not a methodology. DevOps is not a specific piece of software. It means what? DevOps is not any applications or software. It is not a SaaS. It is not a SaaS application. DevOps is not a quick fix for an organization challenges. It means if right now if you are facing any challenges on your current project while using the some approach or process or methodology, like you are working in Agile, you are facing some challenges, right? Don't think that if I'm going to apply the DevOps, it will be the quick fix for the organization. You will get a result, but it will take time. After 1 quarter, after 1 month, after 2 months, you will get a result. You will not get a result within week or within 2-3 days. Okay, that's the reason it is not a quick fix. Clear?
Okay.
Arun, especially the third statement is what? If you are going to apply the DevOps on any current project, you should able to get the result or benefit for this approach after the quarter. Don't think that you will get a result after 1 week. At least you should wait 1 quarter or 2 months or one sprint. Now getting?
Yeah.
If you will work on couple of sprint in DevOps approach, then only you are able to compare with the previous. Clear?
Okay.
DevOps is not just a team or a job title. We used to call that, okay, I need DevOps engineer, but that is not the correct title. DevOps is approach. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So they will ask you at least 2 to 3 questions from this slide. Okay,
Okay.
they will create one scenario and then they are going to ask whether it is correct, whether it is wrong. I will ask.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Just a second, guys. Now, agile planning. What is agile? Arun, you are working in agile, right? How can you define the agile or agile planning?
See, agile planning means just whatever the immediate requirements we have to implement thing from the business point of view. From the business, what they want it in the system manner, in the applications kind of thing. So we have to implement in the agile. Like immediately we have to capture the system analyst will do the capturing the requirements. Then by the time itself they'll start developing. So parallelly the design and development will start when they capture requirement capturing itself.
Okay. See, in simple, agile planning is nothing but it is a project planning. Okay. Agile is a
Okay.
methodology I told you, right?
Hmm.
With that methodology, we are planning our project.
Okay.
First basic. Clear? Now,
Hmm.
basically in agile planning, what we are going to do? We are going to exactly going to estimate how much time it if we are going to develop any functionality of the project, so how much time it will take. Correct?
Hmm.
Based on the estimation, we are putting some user story point, right?
Hmm.
Correct? I will
Yeah.
not go that much detail in what is user story and
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
okay, what is user story? Tell me.
User story means like requirement.
Abhilash, what is user story?
That's how things same user requirements.
User requirement. Then what is epic? What is the difference between epic and user story? Because both are requirement, right? Arun, then how can
Epic.
you?
I don't know. the thing.
Epic is a what? High level requirement.
Okay.
Okay. User story is what? Low level requirement. Okay. So you can define in this way. Second point is what? Epic is
High level
High level.
requirements.
epic is high level, high level unit of work, like login functionality. You can define this is the epic, but inside that user story you can create for valid, for invalid, forget password, all these in the single screen. You have so many components, right?
Yes.
So basically user story, at that moment for each and every functionality you can create user story. And basically user story is what? A smallest unit of work in agile. Fine, please note down, otherwise you guys will forget. User story is what? A smallest unit of work in agile framework.
Low level design, no?
Yeah, low level, not low level design, low level requirement. And it is also known as the smallest unit of work. We can create, see, from the epic we can create more than one user story. Okay, so see, I don't know from where the sound is coming. Abhilash, can you mute, or Arun, from where some sound is coming?
Not from me.
Abhilash, can you go on mute? Hello, Abhilash.
I'm on mute now.
Okay, okay, mute. So, got it, Arun and Abhilash? User story is what? A smallest unit of work in agile framework. Epic is what?
Okay.
High level requirement. Okay. Now the question will come, what is the relation between epic and user story? Both are requirement, and what kind of relationship they are wearing? One to many. Okay, not many to one. One to many. Okay, got it, Arun? Because from single epic we can create multiple user story. Arun,
Okay.
clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me, what is bug? These are very important
So
terminology.
issues.
Okay. Issues, go on mute. Abhilash, there is some background noise is coming. Yeah, so bug is the issue. How can you define? Arun, you are working agile, right?
Bug, they log into the any tool or anything they'll use to log it whenever
Yeah, we
testing.
can create, but what is bug?
Bugs is a kind of issues only, like errors, if you say errors.
No, error is different thing and defect is different thing. Tell me, what is the difference between error and defect? Good. you bring one more terminology. What is the difference between error and bug?
Error means
See, error is a human mistake. Okay,
okay, okay,
we all are human and we used to do mistakes. Okay,
okay.
and due to the mistake you are getting the bug. Developer made some mistake in the code, due to that reason you are able to find out the bug.
Mm,
Okay, so now the bug and defect are same thing. So if someone is going to ask you what is the uh, difference between a bug and error, you can say that error is a human mistake and bug or defect is what? If any kind of variation between expected and actual result. Correct?
okay, okay.
That is what defect. Now got the difference, Arun?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't say error and defect are same thing. Both are different terminology. Avilas, clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we had right now discussed epic, user story, bug, error, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now what is fault? Fault and bug are same thing, Arun, or it is different thing?
Different actually.
Okay, good. Hope I think you remember, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. So how can you define the fault?
Fault can be it's a
Fault
system.
is a individual component failure.
Okay.
I have given you the example of bike. Hope you remember. See, you have a bike, guys, right? You are trying to start your bike and you are with start button and you are failed to start. What may be the reason? Maybe the reason is what? Your battery of bike is not charged or down. Correct? So that is the individual component of the that is individual component of the bike or not? Battery. Tell me, Arun. Yes or
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
So we can bypass that particular failure by starting our bike with kick, right?
Yes.
So that is known as fault tolerance. If we will bypass the fault, and fault means what? It is a failure of individual component in the system. Fine.
Okay.
So what are the terminology we have right now? Just now in agile planning we have discussed. Please note down. First one is epic. Second one is what?
User
Bug,
story.
user story. After that, bug, error,
Fault.
fault, and fault tolerance.
Yeah.
Correct, Avilas?
Yes.
Now, whenever you are going to work in agile, you must be heard about the task, right? Arun, you are going to create task, right?
Yeah.
In a
Yes.
sprint. What
Yeah.
is that? What is task? Do not Google it. Please give the answer.
No, no, I'm just typing that fault tolerance and typing the thing. Okay.
What is task?
Task is set of activities.
Basically, task is what? A smallest unit used in a scrum to track the work. Correct? Correct or not? If we are going to work on any user story, we are going to create one task, right? And on daily basis, we are updating our task into the tool, right? Whatever tool you are using, either Jira, TFS and all, right?
Yeah.
So task is what? Smallest unit used in Scrum to track the work. The use of task is what? For tracking purpose we are using. Correct? We are creating the task, then we are attaching the user story with that, or linking the user story that, then we are putting, okay, 2 days or 3 days, right? What may be the time we are able to complete that particular task, right? Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
So task is completed now. So how many terminology today we have discussed in agile planning? Once again, I'm telling you, epic, user story, bug, defect, okay, error, and fault tolerance, task. Correct? Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Arun? Arun?
Yeah.
Now, tell me some of the agile planning tools. Name.
I'm not into the project management. Sorry.
No. Not manager. Agile planning tools. Like what may be the you are working
Jira,
in a Scrum,
Jira they are
right?
using. Jira might be
Yes,
using.
Jira. Yes, Jira, and Jira is one of the tool.
Confluence.
Confluence, we cannot say that.
Okay.
Confluence is only we are giving some kind of information about the project. We cannot create task and all this stuff, Scrum and all, right?
Okay.
Correct?
No,
TFS
I'm
is
not.
one of the tool. TFS,
Okay.
HPLM. Write down all these tools name which are used. We are most of the organization are using these tools. Jira, HPLM. Yeah, Avilas, you should also write.
Yes.
HPLM means.
TFS, application lifecycle management. There's one
Okay.
tool. Earlier it was known as QC.
Okay. Quality center.
Yeah, quality center. It is 6-7 years ago or 8 years ago. Now it is known as HPLM.
Yeah, that is
Bugzilla.
Mercury. That is Mercury was.
Yeah, Mercury, that long ago, 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Bugzilla,
Sorry.
Bugzilla, one of the
Bug.
tool. It is open source.
Okay.
Taste link.
Test link. Huh?
Yeah. Pivotal tracker.
Sorry.
Pivotal. Let me type this. Then only. PIVOTL. This is also one of the tool. Okay. VSTS. VSTS. MTM. Fine. Etc. There are so many tools are available. And also one more tool there was Agile Bench. Okay. Fine. Fine, guys.
Yep.
Arun,
Yeah.
have you written? What are the tools name you have written? Tell me.
Jira, HPLM, TFS, Bugzilla, TestLink, Pivotal Tracker, VSTS, MTM, Agile Bench.
Etc. There are so many tools are there. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Now see, whenever, so which as I told you that till now we are discussing about the DevOps. We have not started the Azure DevOps, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now agile planning is done. Anyone have any doubt in agile planning? Tell me,
No.
or any terminology?
No.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the continuous integration. The process of automating the build and testing of code every time a team member commits a change to version control. Correct? That is what continuous integration. Okay. So try to understand. Basically, in continuous integration, we are going to combine two things: build and testing. Build means what? Our code. Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
So basically, and what is version control?
Version control is a source code control. Like if you have any code, like any development file or any Java or .NET file, if any parallelly if working, so that changes will be there. So it will be have the versions like log.
So yes,
Log.
basically version control we are using to maintain our history of
Yes.
development. Okay, write down this one liner. Control we are using to maintain the history of development activity. Fine. Got it, Avilas?
Yes,
Avilas.
yes, yes, yes.
Now there is one more terminology. What is build? Just now, wait, Arun, you have already given the answer of for build. I need the answer for from Avilas. What is build?
Yep. The build is like a once the developer develops the codes, from that code we need to build the artifacts which required to deploy the it's required for deployment.
So build is a code, correct? You said correct. But only thing is what? How can you define the build? Build basically it is what? A file, correct?
Yes.
Arun, build is a
Yes.
file or not? So
Yeah.
basically the process that converts file and other assets under the developer's responsibility into the software product that is known as build. Okay,
Yeah.
clear, or you guys have any doubt?
Okay.
Clear, clear.
Now next terminology is coming, testing. What is testing? It's a very easiest question. Tell me, what is testing?
Once a developer develops the codes, so
Testing in a
the,
simple way. Don't develop code and all. What is testing?
that's the functionalities.
Only test the
Or
functionality.
test the code.
Only testing the code. Arun, what is testing?
Testing to verify the application whether as it is expected with the requirement.
As per the requirement.
Yeah.
Okay. See, first thing I will ask, try to understand. Testing is what? Verification and validation method, right? Correct, Arun? And I will ask.
Yeah. Yeah.
Avilas, are you getting or not?
Yes, yes, yes. Got it.
You said, let me tell you, you said that first, what was your first definition? Verifying the code, right?
Yes.
But we can, in testing process, we are verifying the requirement document also. Okay. Maybe we will find out unclear requirement, right? Not feasible requirement. These kind of issue also we have to report, right, Arun?
Yes.
So testing we can perform on document also.
Okay.
Now next you said that we can on the product or on the product. So that is validation. Clear?
Yep.
And also just now Arun said that we are going to verify the requirement, user requirement in the developed product, right, Arun?
Yeah.
So if in a general, if someone is going to ask you what is testing, you have to say that it is a verification validation method by which we are going to check whether build product or build product is according to the user requirement or not. Clear?
Yes.
In testing also one more terminology is coming, that is quality. Write down. What is quality? Arun?
Yeah, quality is also, it's a testing only. Whether the
No.
same only, no? Quality is
Quality is different thing. Testing is different thing. See,
okay. Quality
why
analysis.
audit is why audit
Okay.
is happening, right? Quality check teams are different and testing teams are different.
Quality, I think how the they'll check all the what is it?
Now what is that? That is what I am asking. Okay, Arun, correct?
Fonts, for example, if the fonts sizes or anything, data entry, everything you have up to the mark, everything.
Now, up to the mark means what?
Mark means up to like what is it? Text,
Okay,
the text
leave it.
box size.
In general, what is quality? Leave. Don't go into the computer science. You right now
Okay.
you are
So,
wearing a shirt, right?
Feature and characteristic.
Features
What?
and characteristics. Features and characteristics. Okay. See, basically, quality, whenever someone is going to ask you, you have to say that journey towards excellence. What is the definition? Journey towards excellence. Now I'm going to explain you why this is. Just now Avilas said that features and what was your
Characteristics.
characteristics. Suppose features and characteristics. Features of the, suppose you are wearing, Avilas, you are wearing a shirt.
Yeah.
And that particular shirt features is very good, and whenever you will find out the features, it means what? A very good features, it means what? The cost will be very high.
Yeah.
Correct? Maybe
Yes.
you have that much capability to bear to buy that particular shirt, but I don't have that much capability, right? So your shirt is not a quality product for me. So quality depends upon budget also.
Yeah.
So everything is a business. Got it, Arun?
Okay.
See, each and every person is I'm just giving you the simple example. Each and every person is wearing wristwatch, right? Maybe you are in Dubai, you are wearing very costly wristwatch and all, right? But that particular also the features are excellent. I'm just giving you the example, don't worry. Okay.
I'm not wearing this because okay.
Okay, don't worry, we
I
will
won't,
not
I
tell
won't
you
wear
to.
watches. First of all, I won't wear watches. I have only the.
I'm just giving you the example, man. No one is
Okay.
going to ask you to.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. So see, I always, whenever I used to give the training, I always used to take the example from the day-to-day life so that you guys able to remember that particular sentence. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe that particular features of your wristwatch, Arun, is excellent. Then cost will be also excellent. Correct?
Yeah.
You are
Yes.
paying in dollar, but we are not able to pay in dollar. Correct, Avilas? Avilas?
Yes.
So it means what? That particular wristwatch is not a quality product for me. Okay. But that particular wristwatch is quality product for Arun. Okay. Now, so quality is also depends upon budget. Next is what? Quality depends upon person to person and organization to organization. What may be wristwatch your or any shirt you are wearing, maybe size, although I can pay that much budget and all, okay, I don't have any issues, but size of the shirts are not fit for me, although cloth are very excellent, brand are very excellent, right? Each and everything. Correct, Arun? But
Yeah.
in a size it is not fit. It means what? It is not a quality product for me. Correct? Maybe that color I don't like. Correct? Getting my point? So quality depends upon organization to organization, person to person, budget, shape, size, etc. Now clear what is quality? So that is
Yeah.
the reason whenever someone is going to ask, define quality, you have to say journey towards excellence. And that excellency is what? Depends upon the person, depends upon the organization, depends upon the what? Budget. Like CM level 3 have the different quality parameters. CM level 5 organization have different quality parameters. Like you must have seen Arun in audit, or Avilas, you your current organization is Accenture. It is what? CM level 5 organization. If you will,
Yeah.
there is what? Totally different parameters for quality check for audits, right?
Yeah.
There's some process or not? They're following or not?
Yes.
Arun, got it? Or any confusion in your mind? Arun? Arun?
I was in mute. Okay. No, clear.
Clear?
Hmm.
So today we have discussed in CI, we have discussed build, testing, version control and quality. Correct? These are the terminology we have discussed.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.